Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create hyperlinks in Google Sheets, and I've got not just one but 4 different ways you can do it all in just a couple of minutes. By the end of this video, you'll know how to quickly link out to websites, documents, or even different parts of your spreadsheet, making your Google Sheets more interactive and organized, whether you're building a project dashboard, a resource list, or a polished report. Let's dive right in. The first and probably the fastest method is just to select a cell and then paste your link directly into it. So imagine you've got a link you want to share, maybe it's an article, a YouTube video, or a cloud document. All you have to do is click the cell where you want the hyperlink to go, paste in your URL, and boom, it instantly becomes clickable. Google Sheets automatically recognizes standard links. So for example, if you paste in something like https://www.google.com, that cell will light up blue, and when you click it, it'll open that website right away. This quick copy method is super handy for jotting down links on the fly, especially if you're just collecting a bunch of resources or references and you want to keep things fast and simple. Now the second way gives you a bit more polish and control. Start by heading up to the Insert menu at the top of your Google Sheets window. Click on Insert and then choose Link from the drop-down menu. Here, where the magic happens, instead of just pasting a URL, you can write a word or value first, maybe something like project notes or client website. After you type that, paste your link into the box that pops up and click Apply. The text you wrote turns into a neat, clickable link, much cleaner than just showing a raw web address. This is perfect if you want your sheets to look tidy, or if you're sharing them with others who might not know what a particular long URL leads to. For the third method, look just above your spreadsheet up in the menu bar. You'll see a little link icon. It looks like two chain links joined together. It's actually a shortcut. Select the cell you want, then hit that link button. Just like before, you can type your preferred label like see details or budget, add your link. It's super quick and works the same way as the insert menu, but with fewer clicks. I find this trick really saves time when you need to make lots of links in a hurry, say if you're building a big resource tracker or team workflow sheet. Now the fourth and final method gives you the most power, and honestly it's great to know even if you're just starting out. It's the hyperlink function. In any cell, type in equals hyperlink, your URL, link label, for instance equals hyperlink, https://www.example.com, visit example. This tells Google Sheets to display the words visit example, but when you click them you'll go straight to that website. The function method is especially handy if you want to generate links automatically, maybe using other cells as the URL or the label. It's a little like telling your sheet, hey, connect this info with that resource and do it smartly. Don't worry if you mess up the spelling or the quotes in the function. It might take a couple tries, but Sheets will let you know if something needs fixing. And that's it, 4 different ways to hyperlink in Google Sheets, all of them easy and useful depending on what you need. Try them out, play around, and see which fits your workflow best. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit like so I know to make more quick guides like this. Got a question, or is there something else you'd like to see next? Drop me a comment below. I do read them and I'm always happy to help. And if you want more clear, straight to the point tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.